So hello everyone, welcome back to Lorenzo Data Solutions. My name is Sanipe Abraham, SAP Success Factors Consultant and Corporate Trainer. So before I continue to explain in this short episode, I want to say one thing again, that it's my own opinion or view and doesn't represent anyone. So in this particular short video, I wanted to explain to you some of the new release updates related to the success factors onboarding H1 2023 release updates. Let us see now one by one in a detailed manner. So now the preview release 28th of April 2023, the production release 2nd of June 2023. So the first the major update is access to the additional data collection documents uploaded from the onboarding dashboard. From this release, now you can access the documents that are uploaded during the additional data collection, onboarding activity. This particular enhancement helps you to access the documents that are uploaded and during the additional data collection, along with the documents that are signed during the onboarding and the compliance document flow. So you can use these documents uploaded by selecting the specific new hire, that onboarding user from the onboarding dashboard, a new one, from the selecting the actions button, and you can go to the new hire details page, and there you can see the documents that are uploaded. So using this feature, along with the documents that are generated through your compliance and onboarding workflows that are previously accessible, but now you can access additional data collection documents as well. It is absolutely possible now. So what is a configuration requirement? If you want to use this feature, make sure that attachment field is configuration is created for your corresponding attachment field with the help of your metadata framework that is going to be used for your additional data collection and accessible from your onboarding dashboard new landing page. So here are some of the permissions that are required that we should enable, and I request you all to go through it and accordingly enable. Then your onboarding dashboard new page, from the actions menu, you'll find onboarding documents. You can see that page and you can see all the details, when it was generated, what is the category, the document name, and the actions menu. So in the current version, you can download the documents uploaded as a part of the additional data collection from your onboarding dashboard new. In the previous version, documents are uploaded as a part of the additional data collection, but they were not visible on the onboarding dashboard new page. So this is one of the very interesting feature, and I'm sure that this feature we used here, that we used to look for, is it possible or not. The good thing is with this release, the gap what was there, it's almost filled and it is very satisfactory. And here are some of the technical details, and I wanted you all to go through it if required for you. Next, change in onboarding data collection draft. From H1 2023 release, you can view the drafts saved during the onboarding data collection process. The access to the saved draft is restricted to the user who creates it. When you revisit your draft, you can only see the draft saved by you. Once you submit your review, all the drafts are saved, irrespective of who is going to be created or maybe deleted. For example, the draft saved by the hiring manager are restricted to the hiring manager who creates it. Similarly, the draft saved by the new hire restricts to the new hire who creates. Other than that, anybody can access it. But hiring manager can't review the draft saved by the new hire and vice versa. Simple. If the hiring manager is going to submit the draft the data after review, or then the drafts are saved by the other users are deleted. So previously, when you visit your draft, you could only see the draft saved by others. But now, even hiring manager also you can see. With this enhancement, it ensures that who can access, who can edit your draft and all. That is a very interesting feature. This is one of the automatically updated general availability. Is going to be available from the 2nd of June 2023. Next, the another update which is configurable due date for a new hire task completion, which means now you can configure the due date for a new hire task completion to the date before the new hire starts date. So using this configuration, you can define the custom due date which can be applied to all the new hire tasks, and which includes personal data collection, additional data collection, the data review, document flow, review configure, review data, onboarding, rehire verification. The onboarding dashboard new displays the corresponding task with the due dates for various new hire tasks based on the configured value. Okay, so here it is. You have a particular setting in the admin center, which you can say number of days before start date when you assign the task must be completed. You can specify the dates in the onboarding configuration object in the manage data. Okay, so previously this is how it used to look like, and it was the due date field configuration was not available. You can see here. So if you're unable to see it, please come to the site, carefully observe it. You can understand what I am trying to explain here. Next, configurable new hire for a onboarding. With this configurable a new hire feature, which helps you to create a templates. I think this is the same I have explained a number of times in my previous EC classes that you all have attended, those of you. I was earlier we used to have a standard new hire widget, and 2 years back in 2021, I remember there was a flexible feature was introduced, that is a new hire template in Employee Central. That new hire template also is available now in the onboarding 2.0 system. That is very interesting feature. That means you can include the templates what you wanted to include, so that all the blocks for your employment of your hiring for your onboarding user, and even you can also set up the scenarios based on the business rules and etc. So the template type, you can see employee related to the employee central, and you can see the other details like onboarding new hire, manager, contingent worker, concurrent employment. Also the new hire template supports. So I request you, I think those of you know that I have already explained this feature. Those who have attended my EC classes, they will understand what it is. I've been explaining it almost since 2021 when it was introduced. Okay, next, these are all the technical details. You can go through it. Next one is custom cards on the latest home page for the complete new hire profile task. So this is also another very valuable feature, that you can create a custom cards on the latest home page, not only for onboarding, even on the latest Employee Central features also you can create. So if you don't create a custom card, you can see that start completing your profile to do on the side panel. But now you can do that. Okay, you can go to the create a custom card. Before this release up to H2 2022, creating custom cards are not absolutely not possible. When you add it, you can see the result, and you can also see here on the side panel, and you can do that. That's very interesting feature. Next, enhancements to custom onboarding process flow in the process variant manager. So this particular feature ensures that the custom onboarding process flows are upgraded automatically when the major release or patch release are deployed after the current release. With this enhancement, you no longer need to update anything to the custom onboarding process flows manually. It is automatically going to be updated. So these are all the few of the technical details, and I have tried my best to provide you some of the release updates related to the success factors onboarding H1 2023 release updates. So thank you so much for watching this short video. And if you like it, and if you have your own opinion, I request you all to provide your own valuable comments, and I'm sure that it helps us to understand your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. See you all next time.